Well, hello everybody. Welcome to the channel. Good news, last episode there was sound throughout the entire thing. It was a little bit shorter than the usual recording, but at least it went full time for that recording. So I found out what the problem was. It was, for those engineers out there, it was the microphone. The driver had failed. I've got a dual camera and microphone combination, and part of that driver failed. The video worked just fine. It was just the microphone. Now, I suppose I'm glad that it's not the main software that I use to put this together. But it would be easier if I could just, click on something. Well, I say easier. My solution is just as easy. It's just, I'd prefer a software switch or something that I could adjust to keep it from happening. I don't think it got oversaturated, so I don't know why the driver failed. Usually that sort of thing is like the order in which you load things, but that doesn't seem to have been it. So I did a couple of test recordings, and of course I'm not going to post those, but it dropped out. The sound dropped out. And I was using the feature in the software that I'm using that monitors it, so I have to listen to myself while I do this, which is really annoying. Because there's a slight delay. It drives me nuts. But the solution to it is simply the old-fashioned unplug it, plug it back in. Now, for some USB devices, that's not such a good idea to just kind of do that. It'll probably shorten the lifetime of this camera. But it works. Annoying. I don't think I'm going to be able to figure out, what the nuts and bolts of that is. Because I don't find anything wrong. I've written a program to kind of monitor it on the side, and of course that's going to take additional resources away from what we're doing. But, cross our fingers and hope. So, today we're going to try some experiments. I watched a video. I watched a couple of videos to give me some ideas on how to experiment with event blocks as per the recommendation through the comments. Thank you very much. There may be also some magnetic plates that I can play with. As you may recall, one of the pieces of the ships, I should say, lies out in the desert, needs to be rescued, and I haven't been able to find a good way to pick it up. It could just simply be that my ship doesn't have enough oomph to do it, or it could be that it's, locking to the ground somehow. So we've got to fill a couple of ideas. It came to me, kind of like the Mosquito design came to me, that I might want to try using the Rover to go drill straight bores through some of the surrounding desert area. And that seems kind of exciting. But I don't want to sit there and micromanage it. So I think I'll take one of the hints from our commenters and say that I'll make a programmable block. Well, an event, what do they call it? An event controller to tell me when the inventory on the Rover is full. Or indeed the inventory for the Mosquito. Now, I think I want to try that first and then try drilling with the Rover. Because frankly, the Rover, how do I put this? Has not met my expectations. But I don't have a conveyor system on that's really efficient on the Rover yet. At least I don't remember that I do. So let's just jump in and give it a shot here. Let's see here. There were some other ideas. Yeah, I'd like to upgrade my toolbar to show info, but I don't quite know how to do that yet. I downloaded a package recommended by another YouTuber, O-Earth. He said to get the automatic LCD script. So we'll see. Maybe that's just to have it show up on LCD panels. I'm not sure. So many different ideas. That's what's wonderful about this game. Yeah, so let me see. Where am I? Okay. Oh, I was in the RunAbout. Oh, another idea about pulling out that ship is I thought maybe I should grab these two engines and mount them on the side. Wouldn't that be fun? But the Mosquito with an event controller, that's just too intriguing. So many ideas I want to try at once. Okay, let's see, what do I need for an event controller? You know, I should come through and kind of delete some stuff. I have too many blocks here that I don't need. Well, yeah. Let's just let's zero out this group of things here. There we go. Now, let's see, event. Here's the event controller. Haha. Alright. Oh, it's itty bitty. I dig that. I wish I could kind of stick it in the cockpit or something, because it looks like something that, you know, should be rack mounted to the flight engineers section. Okay, a little too geeky. Let's see, do I have a place to put it? I really don't. I forgot that I have the little antenna stuck back there. That's cute. Alright. Yeah, let me fly around a bit and see here. Where's a good spot? I don't want it to be... Oh, maybe. Yeah, don't do that. Come on. I'm so excited that, yeah. Okay, I want to rotate it a bit. Just because I want to see the gadgets and things. Is that upside down? I cannot tell. There's no reference picture to tell. That's not the way. There we go. I know that's kind of sticking on that, but as long as I think that's right. Okay, let's stick it up here. Oh, well, maybe not. Okay. Stick it here. Okay. Now let's have a little fun with it. What do I need? I think I might actually have all that. Let's go down and see. Oh, right, gotta do it. That button, okay. I'll look up and see it. No, I gotta. Okay, just a little bit. A little tap. Gotta get right in there, don't I? Oh, interior plate. No. Interior plate and display. And computer. So it did not lock that in. That's annoying. Oh. There we go. Now we have an event controller. This is going to be fun. Let's do this in the cockpit. Okay. Event controller, where are you? I got a feeling that's going to be my friend, so I better label it. This, to be perfectly honest, this is not my first event controller, but this is my first small one attached to a ship. In a previous game, I had it loaded onto a base where I was doing drilling and I was controlling the drill. So it's a related task. So let's see if I can figure this out. Cargo filled. You know, it should be that simple, but let me see what the other choices are. Altitude, angle changed. That's a lot of stuff. Cockpit occupied. Ah, that's kind of cool. Cockpit occupied. Everyone be quiet. Grid speed change. Magnetic lock ready. Ah, that speaks to my next task. Stored power. I swear there should be more stuff to this, but this is good. Okay, so cargo filled. Equal or greater than. Choices here. Equal or greater than what? Oh, maybe I have to set this to 100%. Cargo filled percent condition greater than equal threshold 100%. Output action slot 1. Okay, I think I get what you're talking about. Blocks. Oh, drills, right? Select box, add box. Let me search for drills. Available box drills. Well, don't I have a all drills thing? I thought I did. I don't know if I can do it that way or not. You know, I'd feel much more comfortable if I could just, let's see, all mosquito lights, all mosquito thrusters, drills mosquito. And that's all my drills, right? Yeah. So I do have one. All drills, Mosquito. Okay, here we go. So there should be like a letter A. Oops. What's going on here? Alright, it's... Add blocks? No. Remove blocks, okay. Oh, I think I see what's going on. Okay, I get it now. What a primitive way to do that. Search for drills. Choose all the Mosquito drills. Add those blocks. Now. I don't see where it's telling me what the action is that I want to take. Let's see here. Output action slot 1. Select actions. It's a little backwards. Groups. Do I add it into my toolbar? Is that how this works? Do I? Oh, I can barely see them. Oh, it's just the one box here. Okay. And so I want to toggle that to off. Toggle it to off. That seems simple enough. That should work. I want to try it. I mean, I still have to go rescue the scout. I don't know if it'll disappear on me. Okay, since I'm going to need ice anyway, and it's daylight, let's go ahead and fly. Unlock. Lake. Oh, why are we twisting like that? Oh, yeah. And he suggested that I put the thruster thing on here. Let's see here. Oh no, it's getting unpleasant. Let's see the forward. All my forward thrusters. Oh no, it's backward, isn't it? I'm trying to remember here what the term they use here. Yeah. So I want to disable the backward thrusters. Lost any. Okay. G. Back thrusters. Toggle off. Now, I think it was also suggested I turn off the dampeners, but I kind of want them on. Okay, so let's see what happens. 5. Turn them off. Yeah, so that's working. We're going to go up a little bit here, just to be on the safe side. There we go. There we go. It's a little touchy, but yeah, so we're not slowing down. Of course, the closer I get to my target, I mean, it's really close by, so yeah. So I'm going to turn it back on. Because I want to slow down to come take a little mining sample. The Mosquito is going to suck from the lake. Frozen lake. It's always frozen, which, in my opinion, kind of sucks. I'm going to take more liberties as I fly. Okay, don't want to go down too fast. Go. I'm gonna drop down a little bit. I need to take a look outside and make sure that I'm not over a tree or something stupid. Oh, look at that, our shadow down there. That's cool! I dig that. I'm easily amused. Okay, let's cop down. Yeah, okay. Gently, gently, gently. Let's get a little bit different perspective there. Drop down a little bit. Okay, we're just about on top of it. Okay. Turn on the drills. Okay, now this shouldn't take long to get full, so we'll fully test this out here and see if it shuts off. Just a little bit of a shimmy there. This should just about be it. Why am I getting that much smoke? Okay, let's take a look at the inventory a little bit. Looks like it's full to me. Okay, it's not completely full. To dig itself a hole that it can't get out of. Okay, let's see here. I should be full. Why isn't that shutting off? That's full, that's full, that's full. No, that's not full. Let's see here. The cargo container is actually full. Shouldn't it be shutting off? Alright, let's drill just a little bit more. Just a little bit. We're actually on the ice itself. Wow, it is just really close. Getting really close to being full, but it never completely fills. Okay, just a little bit more. Let's go forward just a little bit. Get a new drilling spot. Okay, now that should fill it. Come on. Truly. Somehow it's not. Alright. Let's turn that off for the moment. Check out my programming block. Okay, where did I go wrong? Okay. Cargo percent filled. Maybe I shouldn't make it 100%. Maybe I should make it like 99% or something. Drill at 99%. Yeah, see? Okay. We'll make it... We'll set the bar low, because I do like a margin of error. How did I used to do that? There we go. Let's set it to 99.5. That seems safe. Now, is it going to keep me from starting it up? No. No, that idea did not work. Alright. Well, at least we got our ice, so, I mean, it's not like we lost anything. Huh. Turning ships needs to be easier. Alright, let's go back in the cockpit. Okay, let's turn that off again and let's cruise. It's a little more efficient. bump it up to maybe 50% and then just kind of cruise. There we go. There, it's an even smoother ride, but you really have to be careful with it. I don't want the ground to suddenly come up and bite me. Let's go up even higher. There we go. Level off again and boost it up to 50% or so. There. Now I don't have to keep my foot on the pedal as it were. I can just take a break, take a drink. Paper. This is nice. This is a nice flight. Yeah. 48. It's actually increasing speed. I don't want that. There we go. Now let's just kind of look out the window here. I love looking out the window. It's one of the favorite things that I do when I fly. I do not like an aisle seat. Okay, getting a little high there. Okay. This will preserve my battery power. Taking this kind of flight maneuver. I think, maybe. Okay, let's bring it on. On target. Stay on target. A little more cavalier with how I'm flying now, since I've done this a time or two. Every ship is going to be different, of course. Okay, let me look around here. Let's slow down. Probably have a protocol or something for doing this kind of thing. Got the dampers on, got everything on. I'm a little bit close to that. Kind of judging based on the rock here. Okay, now let's turn on our camera. Here we go. And down we go. Full load, it makes it a little touchy. That should be close enough, right? Apparently not. It's not locking in. There we go. It's such a violent process. There, we're locked. Yay! Okay. Okay. Yeah, it was also suggested that I put something to empty it out. Not strictly necessary, in my opinion. So, yeah, other ideas came up. That worked out well. The mining aspect of that. So I'm going to want to do something more with that. Oh, two things. I want to add an antenna, and I want to add a big inventory container. Because I'm running out of space. Okay, so let me see what I've got in the way of antennas. I know I've got one already set up in my toolbar, but I thought I'd see what I got here. Truss pillar? Planter? What? Oh, that's not an antenna. It's something else altogether. Laser antenna, compact antenna. Oh, kinda want that, but I'd kinda like to see that. The idea being I need something that I want to, holy cow. That was not what I had in mind. Alright. Can I do that? Seriously. Fascinating. This ought to be interesting. Okay, that takes a lot of equipment. I need to be able to see it off planet, is what I keep trying to say. Let's come down here. Although I didn't have any problem at all. I think I mentioned this before. I didn't have any problem at all seeing that from orbit. This pink, well-lit display. Oh. Oh, a steel tube. Small steel tube and large steel tube, both. Oh, and radio comp. All right. Radio comp. Why didn't it pull out all the radio comp? Huh? And steel tube. I mean, it should have pulled out all of that. Oh, I ran out of... Right. I don't need those things on me. I'm looking at the inventory here and thinking what else I was planning on doing. No, there were a bunch of things actually. In general, I don't need two of those on me, so let's put that there. Yeah, the canvas. Yikes. Okay, so we need to go into production. Tell it to make a bunch of that. 40 should be enough. 40 of those, too. Or 60. I'll make 50. compromise. Radio comp, I needed 30 of those. I don't know. It's very awesome that it's able to just make that on demand. Okay. I think that's enough. We'll see. Oh, I'm gonna need, yeah. Oh, it's still working on it. I'm just impatient, that's all. Yeah, I need to sit in there. I think it needed more than 30, but we'll try to. While I'm waiting for that, I'll just charge up on my gas energy here. Okay, come back to it. There we go. Oh, I can only carry so much. Well, fine. This massive antenna. Anxious to get out there in space and actually try this. See how it works. Yeah, so it is the radio comp that I needed. I need 13 of those, and small steel tube, I still need 7. Small steel tube. We'll just make 10. And I only needed 13 of those. Come on. There. It's working. Should be able to see that from many planets away. Okay. Looking at my list here, parking lot for spaceships. This is a little inefficient and it's hard to park. And I really want that mess of let me think here. Oh yeah. In taking off with a scout, I damaged a whole bunch of things. So maybe I can fix them now. I don't. That should have been like a clue, I think. That things were going to be a little oddball. What else is damaged? I need steel plate. Oh, I don't have steel plate. Well then. No problem. I'll get more steel plate you can shake a stick at. Okay. Okay, let's see if I can fix some of this here. There we go. That looks better. That was kind of sad though. As I was taking off, it was destroying this platform. I didn't think that would happen. So anyway, since I've got this energy platform way over here, Let me walk out here and see. So I'm going to put the spare ships out here, I think. This just seems like a good idea. Get them out of the way. Keep that as the main base where I'm developing stuff. And, I may even move this crate over there, because this is about the size of what I want, and I don't want to have to mine for resources just to make it. Okay, let's do a layout here. Local grid. Let me stand on this and kind of flesh it out. Maybe we'll fill the entire valley with these blocks. Okay. I don't know how big a separator I need between the ships. I have gone rather crazy with the number of ships I've made. And as I said, I think I'm going to redesign the Rover for a slightly different role. We're still going to be gathering resources, but it's just not going to be in the same way. Oops, I did not mean to do that. Okay, so out this way. Good. Am I going 3 wide and staying with that? Looks like it. Yeah, so I think I'm going to do this 3 wide. We got a little careless there. There we go. So let me bring one of those ships over and kind of size it out. Or maybe I should, yeah, let's do that really quick. That's easy enough done. We'll make these solid blocks now. Thing is, these take like 25 blocks a piece just to finish one block. Yeah. That eats up my resources really quick. Okay. Oh, let's take 200. Ooh! Ooh! We're gonna get an eclipse. We've got an eclipse of the smaller one right now, but... Ooh! How cool is that? Okay. Let's finish that up. Make sure that's finished too. Good, 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 good. Alright, now, windjammers. Oops. Oh, I need to get out of the block. That's right. Come on now. It's such a picky thing. I haven't. Oh, I need interior plate. I'm also going to redesign the crane, but that will be another day. Okay, F. Interior plate. There we go. And I think I need a whole bunch of steel tube and some other stuff for that too. I forget. Construction comp motor girder. That's right. Construction comp motor girder. And I'm going to need more of that. So let's set you into production on that right away. Gas. Flight. Oh, I thought it was close to the eclipse. I'm looking at the eclipse. Well, I guess today is not it. I am such a geek. Okay. Yeah. This is what I'm talking about. Yep. I'd like to set one of these up on the ice too. For the ships that are going to go into space, because, you know, frankly, this is getting old. Having to go 7 kilometers or whatever it is up there. This is so much easier now than it ever has been. Yep, construction comp, and I think we're good on interior plate. Girder, 24 piece, so I'm going to need 100 of those. Some computer, yep. Yeah, when you start building big grid, then, man, it really eats up your resources. Let's see here. What did we say, 24 piece, 100?
Just a little bit ridiculous, but all right.
So I guess we don't need any more motors. We're done with the interior plate. Don't need that, don't need that. Okay. Here we go. That should be good. All right. Oh, computer. Yeah, I forgot the computer. That's all right. What? That's looking a little poorly. I think needs construction comp and computer. All right. Ooh, I almost buffed it there. Alright, we're done with that. Construction comp. Let's make 10 of those. I'll make another 10. And computer, I think we already have that. Yeah, we've got all we need. Okay. Then I'm going to need to make a bunch of connectors. But I want to drive a spaceship over there into, not a spaceship, but just one of the ships. Try it out for size. Kind of like the DMV does for their parking lots. And they do so badly. must use a geometro to size those spots. Okay, so yeah. So let's go down there and let's see. Okay. Yeah. Should drive the big battle wagon out there, but okay. Now let's. Yeah, this is about as big as I've done. So. Okay, power on, baby. There we go. 3 days of power still. Good. Unlock that. Yeah, it's a little excessive. I don't have a camera on this one, which is too bad, but at least it's got better control than some of the others. Let's see. Okay. It really is. This is a beast. Okay, down we go. Let's go over a little bit. What was that? What's going on here? Are we damaging plate? I don't think we are. Looks okay. Huh. Yeah, see, it's smoking there. Why is it smoking? I have to take a closer look at that and see what's going on here. Down we go. Come on, down, 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 down. Yeah, this might be just as close as I want to go. Let's take a look here. Okay. That's down on the bottom. Huh. Alright. Okay. Pull this over. I don't want to be right underneath one of the blades, so let's see. Let's just put it down. I want to put it as evenly as I can down. Okay. Alright, does that have clearance? No, it does not. So I'm going to have to extend this quite a bit. It's okay though. It's alright. And I think I want to use this. They're not going to be sharing inventory, so I really don't care. There we go. Connector. Rotate it. Yeah, right? Oh wow, I had a lot of it on me. Very cool. Small steel tube. Construction combo, of course. Oh, I wanted to look up at the sky. Oh, look! Look, 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 look! It is an eclipse. It developed kind of weirdly, but that is cool! Sorry. That is cool! Ha! Alright, what was I doing? Something to do about parts. Let me see here. Okay, production. I know I need a bunch of these. Small steel tube? I don't remember now. I think so. Let's get into the inventory and see here. Oh! Why are you doing it that way? Just do it this way. Alright, so plate computer. I'm gonna need some computer. Motors. Small steel tube, yeah. Oops. Okay. So far so good. I think our sound is staying with us because I can hear myself still. I gotta tell you that is annoying. I know a lot of VTubers can do it, and it's no big deal. It's second nature to them. But I cannot easily get used to it. Maybe after I've done it for a while. Oh, here it is. Why? I don't need the girder. Put the girder down. The radar count down. Girder down. Computer, I think I do need. I don't remember if I need interior plate. Yeah, you can never have too many of those. I wonder if there's a way to tell the industrial assembler to throw everything into that one big container. I bet there is. Okay. Art. Is it not? No. I'm still looking at the eclipse. I was wondering if maybe it was the natural diurnal cycle, but no, it's not. It's definitely an eclipse. Okay, connector's on. Kind of like to stick a camera on there. I wonder if you have enough resources to stick one on there. Or no, I think I have one on there. If I stuck lights on there, why didn't I stick a camera on there too? Or maybe I blew it away? That's entirely possible. Let's see here. Camera! Some of these goofy things look like cameras. Okay. Yeah. Fine, I'll have to do the space engineer flip over here. Alright, we'll stick it here. And I think that's the orientation I'm going to want. Well, bust my buttons. That worked out. Okay. 7. Oh, I'm going to name that. Yeah, let's camera. The connector. There we go. View. Not sure that's useful yet. Okay. No, not here. G. Okay. View. There we are. So I want to unlock and rise a bit. Take a look at my camera. I don't know if this is going to be useful, but here we go. Huh. The controls are not intuitive. Interesting. I may need to place that somewhere else. Alright. Let's see. That way. Down, 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 down. And 4. Check the battery. Worker B batteries. Yep, it's recharging. And it's charging quickly, too. Alright. Step 1. Step 1 of 1,000. Okay, so it cleared the blades when I go straight up, just barely. It makes it harder for me to make that particular mistake. So it looks like it's 3 wide for this ship. So I'll assume that they're all 3 wide by that point. Excuse me. Let's back up here a bit. Local grid. Am I totally off of it now? Lock. Huh. I may need to clear some ground. Because that didn't go the way I expected it. Maybe I should have expected it. Yeah. The valley goes up too far there. Okay. Yikes. Actually, now that I think of it, that connector shouldn't have been placed properly. Free placement mode. No, local grid. Come on. Come on. Okay, I've got one there. I can't tell if I've got one here or not. It's not cooperating. Okay, that's really not cooperating. Yeah, so it's not going to lay it down. However, I can cheat. If I was going to put in a bunch of connectors, I might do this too, but I'm not going to. So is there a block there or not? Okay. Okay, there's that. Okay. Is that going to give me enough clearance to put in a block here? Or am I going to have to struggle with that? Local grid alignment. There we go. It's a little kludgy, but yeah, that's just how I'll solve the whole thing. It's gonna do that again. Fine. So come on, let's jump in the trenches and make another one. I think it'll do it now. There we go. All right, let's put one there. Step out of the hole. Brilliant. May have to work with that one. Okay. Connector. Oh, yeah, I do need to take out one here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Now let's see if I can put a connector there. It shouldn't have allowed me to do that for the last one under the rules as I understand them. But somehow it did. $130 steel plate? No, 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 surely not. That last one didn't require that, did it? Oh, maybe it did. Construction comp and steel plate. Alright, here we go. And construction comp. Okay, I don't remember how many it needed. Let's just make 100 of them. Oh. This is nice. I like just being able to ask it to do stuff and it does it. Let's go with that. I don't remember how much it needed. I think it needed a buttload, but you know, I might need more lights. Shoot. All right, it's ready for our next derelict. Because it bothers me that these ships are sitting out here. Okay. Power on. There we go. Oh, lights up. Oh, I like that. Let's jump in the cockpit here. It's been a few days since we've flown this one. We know better to run into the rotors. I'm going to try and steer clear of that. All the side lights are nice. I can see the rock. We're still a little. Should put a camera on this one too. No. I could almost do it. Okay. Gonna have to look outside here. A little bit and down. Did I not put one on there? I may not have. Let's see here. Yeah, no camera. Just gonna have to eyeball it here. There we are. And connected. Check the battery status. Battery. Battery pod. There it is. And it'll be recharged in 31 minutes. Oh, a bit longer than I thought it would be. Battery 4. Oh! I know why this is labeled this way. Because it's the battery I had to fix. Okay. And no, it's not 4. It's... call it 3. Alrighty. Oh, and the other thing that was suggested to me is to put all the battery there. Put an event block, so it'd switch the batteries over to the charging, recharge. On these older ships, I don't think I want to. Yeah, I don't think it's worthy of the effort. Oops. Did I mean to do that? Yes, I did. Okay. And really I should have done that with this. Alright, fine. Fine. Put the battery on charge only too. Or recharge, whatever. That way it's not discharging with any other system. I'm guessing that's the implication. I may be wrong. Seems to me auto makes sense, but is that actually pushing that over? Did I push that over? No, I just think it's goofy. Okay. So that takes up 3, so that's 3, so this is the one. Went too far, a little too far, and in the wrong direction. Cool. Almost like I know what I'm doing. Okay, so what do we need here? Steel plate, yeah. And small steel tube. Steel plate and small steel tube. Well, there we go. Are the lights on all the ships? Yeah. They are, aren't they? Yeah. Huh. Interesting. Now, since the armored platform is still under development, I don't think I want to put that over there. I think I want to put the RunAbout over there because it's in danger of most of the infrastructure here, so. Yeah, alright. Put that down. Oh, we used up all of our plate. Oopsie. Okay. Small steel tube. And then 100 of those. Because it takes like 130 or whatever. Got a bit lazy with that one. I wanted to recharge that other tube of... Oh wow, that's almost done. Hydrogen. Let's see here. Well, do I gotta go the hard way? Fine. Put it there. Go where the ice machine is. There we go. That way I'll have a full tube next time I need it. Alright. Where are the goods? Amazing. I'm just amazed that I had enough resources in there to do that. Oh, let's just take that over. We'll let it hover for a while. Alright. Let's get a cockpit view here. It's locked. 5. What are you doing? Oh, you're gonna make it difficult, aren't you? And need to get a view that helps me. There we go. Okay, we'll try lock and unlock. Why am I seeing sparks? Ah! There was no excuse for that. This puppy is just way overpowered. Okay. Why are we going down? What is going on here? Beep, 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 beep. Or something like that. Right? Okay. What's with you? You weren't flying like that before. I know you just lost one thruster. Oh, heavens to Betsy. Okay. That's locked in. Let's straighten this up here. Oh, I lost a light too. Bummer. Do I have... Well, let's fix it when it's on the platform. Okay, let's back it up a bit. It won't go up anymore. Do I have anything stuck in the inventory? No. I think I'm actually going up. Well, ground is going down. How far back do I have to go? Alright. This is weird. Okay. Pulling full thrusters to pull up, but it won't do it. Now it won't go backwards. Yikes. Well, I was planning on putting those engines on the side anyway. Let me see what I've got here. Are you fully landed and locked? Oh, this is a sad state of affairs. Okay, so I still have 4 batteries on board. Container. Yeah, as I recall, it was a little lopsided before. Alrighty. Let's put another engine on. Yeah. I was thinking there was maybe another plan here, but I think that's going to have to do. Okay. And rotate that puppy. I think that's what I had before. Yeah. And then the light thingy. Not essential, I admit, but you know, if you're going to repair something. I don't have construction comp. Fine. Trying to see if there was another engine thingy that popped off of it. Yeah. The thrusters go forward. Okay, let's take a look here. What did I? Oh, what did I mess up? Okay, so those are the sides. Right. So left, right, up, forward and back, and the back is, of course, as low powered as possible. I thought I had fourth engine going up. And that's probably my problem. Okay, buddy, you're going to be redesigned out in the field here. Probably shouldn't do it when the engine's on. I don't know if that even makes a difference. But let's see here. Landing gear is screwed up. Oopsie. I need to fix that. And medium container is damaged. How did it get damaged? It was nowhere near where things happened. Okay. I got mysteries. Okay, yeah. Backward. All backward thrusters, yeah. All thrusters. Yeah, let's just turn them all off. There we go. They're still spinning. Okay, now, what's up with that? It's not important, but I'm just wondering why. Oh, the large atmospheric thrusters. Why do I have 4 listed? Oh, duh. There we go. Alright. Now it's making some sense. Go down. There we go. There we go. Yeah, I thought I could do that. All right, now, what I'm going to do is tear these off. That's a very questionable decision, I know. I'm questioning it as I'm doing it. Okay. Make sure that these aren't somehow damaged. Okay. Big thruster. Where's my big thrusters? 8, I think. It might be a little excessive, but here we are. There's a little too big, I think. Do we have choice? It looks like we kind of do. Is it this size? I guess it is. It just looks big in that spot. Alright. I guess I have to take this one off too. If I need more, I'll just find another spot for it. Alright, that should be big enough for it. Oh, and I probably have to have additional blocks. It's probably where I should put my programming blocks. Okay. Right here. Right here. And for symmetry's sake, probably should put there we go. Alright, now let's try it. Alright, rotate. Yeah, it's a little bit low. Let's put it up there. There we go. We got repairs out in the field. How are we looking now? I think that engine up there is excessive, but yeah, I want to change where that is. Okay, let's do that again. All this prissy stuff that has to be done. Okay, rotate. Why is it never the direction I want? Okay. I want it to sit here, but okay. Come on. I'm gonna have to put the blocks in between. Just to make it happy, I guess. Yeah, it's not a bad thing, it's just okay. I'm gonna have to go get more resources, though, before I can finish it. Is that about even with the other engines, or do I have to pull it forward a little? I can't quite tell. I think I have to pull it forward. Well, it'll do it there. Okay. We are golden, I think. It's a little off, but yeah. Oh, did I miss one in there? I think I did. Okay, there we go. Completely unnecessary, but okay. This is not gonna go well, I don't think. Okay. Turn. I better reprogram this. Okay, what do we got? All backward thrusters. Atmospheric thruster. And that. And save. Backward thrusters. I don't have an all thrusters control. I thought I did. Okay. Atmospheric thrusters. There's no reason why I need to turn all of those off at one time, I don't think. Oh, landing gear. Oh, yeah. Need to fix that too. Turn those on. Alright. Oh, and since the landing gear is damaged, I probably need to fix that first. Yeah, which one was it that needed repair? Let's get under there. No, that's fine. Well, so then that leaves the front one. Okay, good deal. And then the box needs to be repaired. Yeah, we can wait on that. Okay, landing gear, unlock that. Let's see if you can. Okay. Now 4. Oh, I lost the camera, I think. No, I didn't. Well, at least I didn't lose that particular camera. I really don't know where that connector is. So I'm going to have to redo that camera. And I probably should do that before I go out. Okay, then. Okay, back a little bit and down. And lock. Do I have a lock? Yes, I have a lock. That looks a little unbalanced. Why does that look unbalanced? Oh, it's because we're on the ground here. Okay. Let me fix that. Okay, that was a little awkward, but that worked. Huh. Let's clear that a little bit. There we go, that looks better, sort of. Alright, that doesn't fly really well. I'm not pleased with that. Let's see what all we need for that. Put that in the inventory. Okay. Wow, that does not sit well. Is there any other thing holding it up? Huh. Yeah, so now that I've got a big thruster sitting there, maybe I can go pick that poor Scout up. I don't want to do it in the rain though, so kind of missed that opportunity. Inventory, what have I got here? I didn't pick up everything I needed, did I? Okay. I don't know what I'm missing, but... Okay. I don't think I need grid. I think I needed that for the engine, but I don't think I need that here. I'm tempted to stick another ship over there, but I've got the ones that weren't plugged in over there, and that was my big concern. That can still stay in development, and I'm going to add a programming block to that, I think. I think I want to make another run out with the Mosquito to go get some more ice. And I still want a giant container over by the other, by the main base. Interior plate and computer. Okay, this is going to run a little long, I think. Because I kind of want to wait till clear weather and daylight to go pick up that. I think the Mosquito is perfectly capable of doing it. What else did I need? Oh, I got distracted. I kind of want to try putting on a drill to the what are we missing here? Interior plate and display. Okay. That was a little double. Okay, we got it. Alright, cool. And that has nothing in it. I wonder if I should put some repair supplies in that. I can't believe all the damage that happened just by bumping into that rock. Well, it was a little fast, I suppose, but yikes. There's a friend I knew once that smokes. Let's shoot. sorely tempted to take out the Mosquito to pick up that thing. Because the Mosquito has two downward pointing thrusters. Alright, what did this need? Lots of interior plate. And lots of small steel tube. I mean lots of interior plate. I'm sure that's more than I've got resources for. But it's what I want. Alright. Let's take a look at this thing. I think I'm going to take that connector down. Let's see. I think we've got an inventory that we can mess with here. Connector Rover. So I put something there. And I can put it... Okay, let's ship specific stuff. Does it get to the cockpit? It does not. If I can't get to the cockpit, then it's not going to work for anything else. So that's the first thing we need to address. What do I need to do to get those to connect? Probably need one of those adapter plates. Let's see what it looks like on here. Yep, that's what we need, an adapter plate. Bit inconvenient, but we can do it. Where did I keep that? Seven? No. It looks passingly similar to it in small form. And I've got to remember what it is. Oh, I think it's 9 here. There we go. Let's see, so we got 3 of them there. So putting it on there should then allow me to put the adapter plate, or the Rover thingy. Oh, what orientation was the... Hecky darn. Alright, so 9. So I just put it on there like that, so it's horizontal. Okay. So... Okay, now can I get it to come down? No. Of course not. Confucius, you, why don't you? There we go. Now wait a minute. Wait a minute. I can't put a drill head on the front of the connector plate. Nope. Okay. Just want to make sure I hadn't damaged that. So, I'm going to have to drive this back out of here. I could... Let me think about this. So it's going to be kind of this arrangement anyway. Yeah, pretty much exactly their arrangement. So I'll put that on the face there. I may even make it in a star formation. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. Okay. I was trying to figure out where I should put the... Oh, well, the logical place to put the connector is on the back. I could put one underneath, but let's see if I can get one on the back. Should be an easy enough thing, right? I'm sure all you experienced aficionados out there know exactly how to do this. Oh, wait a minute. It's shifted. I'm kind of thinking, when I play this game that that it falls into place, but it does not. It doesn't pop onto anything. Yeah, okay. You put the crosshairs on there and you think, okay, that's centered. It's anything but, usually. I think that'll do. Alright. Beautiful. I'm going to have to make something that comes out and meets it or something. You should be able to connect to any of these and shift the inventory. That's what I designed in it. Okay, so now we need to build the drill heads. But I'm going to back it up because there's no way it's going to fit here. Well, I might as well take these apart too. Because I am not going to. Well, I might use that. No, it's just not wise to use that. Okay. Yep. Now we're kind of returning to the old days. I think I want to put the inventory in this box for those two connectors. Because I got a feeling I'm going to use those. I need all that actually. No, they'll just be recycled into the design here. Alright, let's see. Now, am I going to be able to fit that in this space? Let's see. Naturally, it's the wrong way around. Alright, so... I need it to be as wide as this thing is. I kind of need a whole grid of these things, don't I? Okay, pause for a second. Let's take a look. What if I were to... Oh, I was thinking large grid. This is going to get ugly in a hurry. Huh. I'm having many second thoughts on this design. I mean, it's got the kind of battery power I need. got the storage. Is that going to be wide enough? The great mustache. I don't know. I'm not big on this design. Okay. Is that one too far? I like to flesh it out here in the
Energy low.
oh, come on. Soak up all that energy. Okay. Now, so the great mustache. And then it's gotta go up. Huh. Won't put it on the bottom. Strangely enough, it'll do it up there. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I don't know that I want it too far. Well, I'm gonna have to have it down here. Oh, I'm running into the light there. Well, that's unfortunate. I'm going to run into the light over here. Yeah. Or maybe I should go down one. It's got to cover the entire profile of this thing. I'm trying to see what that profile looks like. Yeah, the fact that I had these wheels sticking way out is all kinds of problems. Let's see here. Now, I think it does 3. Let's come over here and see. If I were putting one on here, it'd be supposed to do like 3 out, I think. But my experience is it never does 3 out. Let's think that it does. It looks like 2. It looks like it's a 2x2 block. But I seem to recall reading somewhere it said 3x3. And if that is the case, that's an oops. Well, that's probably not a bad oops. Always one beyond. I'm trying to get this to where it will. Oh, I'm running into that. This is going to be really weird. But boy, it's going to be satisfying when it goes through stuff. Okay. Let me take a look up above here. Yeah, and if it clears that block, then it should do just fine here. I ideally want it to be just one big round hole that it digs out, but I don't think that's gonna go. Okay, I don't want to take off these lights because I think they're really cool. Okay. Oh, where did I put the lights? There's the lights. I'll just place it one thingamabob. And maybe... Yeah, I kind of like that idea. Come on, rotate. There we go. That way we'll get side lighting. Oh, now how did that happen? Okay. Two lights. There we are. I don't know that this work. That's... Oh, I'm stuck on something. There we go. I don't think I want it like that. There's got to be an efficient way to do this. And one thing I can do is I can lower the rover. When it comes to digging into something, I can cause it to go lower. Kind of reminds me of Close Encounters of the Third Kind, where they had to make the light bars for communicating with the aliens. Alright. So, is that going to be enough? Let me do the old engineer thing. Let's test it out. That's not going to work. Nope. That's not going to be far enough. So what I will do is go under here. I could have left the lights where they were. Okay. And we'll drill these off. One, two, three. So put it there. So it's got one here and one here. Yeah, this will work. I can have two block separation, and that's got 2 block separation. Yeah, this is right. This is the way it should be, I guess. That was kind of funny. Oops. Oh, come on. Ay, 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 ay. It's the same problem I have with Oh, why are you doing that? What was that, honestly? And now it's upset because the tire's in the way. Okay, drop down. Okay. There we go. And it doesn't want to do that. Okay, now, good, good. I'm glad that's... because I wouldn't want to have to drive around one hole. Okay, here we go. 4. That's going to take a lot of resources to put that together. Is that far enough? Yeah, it looks like it's even. Looks like it's at an angle, but... Okay, so I'll have to fill all those in. Put on the drills, go get the resources for the drills, and maybe give that a test. Let's go see if... Before I call an end to this, let's go see if this ship will now pick that other ship up. I'm really thinking the Mosquito is probably the thing to go here, but we'll try this. Alright, RunAbout. Unlock that. Oh, that locked. Okay, lock. Unlock. Ah! Okay, if that gave it trouble. Silver Rock. Yeah, let's head to that. And I'm going to leave the dampers on and the reverse engines on. Just because. Okay, I need to not go up so high that I can't see my target. Seemed to me it was sort of over. Oh, maybe here. Ah, I think it's here. Either that or it's a twig. I've got a camera thingy on board. That's not it. Oh, that camera is no longer working. Alright, well, is that a ship or is that a twig? Okay. not seeing it, are you? Maybe here? So without even putting a beacon on it, it somehow shows up. Alright, cool. Slow down here. There we go, come down. Try to pick it up. Okay. Come down a little bit here. Alright. Take a look at the down camera. Go down. Oh, yeah. I meant to fix that. Go down. As I recall, I had to accommodate that with by turning around. Okay, let's see here. Yeah. So okay, let's get a better view here. Turn around a bit, down. Not getting real good perspective on this. Okay, oops, too far forward. Okay, down. Just, oh. Our perspective is totally futzed up. Let's take a look at the camera for a sec. Huh. Yeah, that's not really helpful. Let's see here. Okay. Okay, and lock. And lift. Look at that. We got it up. Okay, now let me see. Gotta turn around carefully. Not real easy to do with this load. She's a bit sluggish. Okay, I think we're on course now. I don't want to go too fast. Better know what the stress is on the ship. So we accomplished a lot. We started building a parking lot. We got our ship repaired. Well, part of one of our ships repaired after banging it up, of course. And we've got some plans here. Oh, I should probably drop it off over at the repair. Yeah, at the base. I was gonna take it out by the parking lot, but I think I'll take it over here. dampeners on or letting me repair it. Stay away from the blades. Okay, now I need to take a look outside. I can't believe that worked. Okay. That's going to be a tricky spot to land in. Let's see if we can do it. I need to be over here where I can see the blades. It's a little bit iffy. It is actually flying better. How did I have that oriented before? I think I had it oriented this way. Yeah, that seems right. And it was really close to the battle thing. I do not want to be that close again. Let's see. Uh-oh. We're ending up with that problem again. Where it just wants to go wherever it wants to go. I think we'll just get it down and reposition it some other means. Yeah, we're getting a little screwball here. Yeah, I'd swear one of the engines is damaged, because it just doesn't behave right. You need to see underneath here. Down, 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 down. Huh. Let's take a look all around here. Alright, down. I know how I want to turn. I don't know if it's going to allow me to do it, though. Oh, why did it bounce back? Why? I want the nose to face away from the... Okay, let's see if I'm facing that way. See, I see smoke out the back there, and it doesn't entirely make sense to me. I think we got it facing mostly in the right way. Alright, let's just put her down. Okay, unlock. And lift. Back out a little bit here. Okay. I'm getting a little cavalier here. Probably shouldn't. Okay. Coming down. Coming down. Love that dampener. Really do. Okay, I should take a look down. Okay. If I understand. I can see my shadow. That's cool. I don't know. That's right. I didn't realize we'd lost a block there. We'd lost a block from the launch. Let's fix that. That's looking pretty good, actually. That's looking really good. Okay. Just forward, down, 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 down. And I'll jump out and throw a brick at it. Alright. Come on. There we go. Alrighty. And down. It looks like it's almost done. Okay. Did we land? No. It's treating it like we're landing. Huh. Okay. Come down. Come over. The other over. Oh, alright. And we're locked. No damage. Everything's in good working order. It's all parked. It's orderly. So now we've got repairs to do on that. Oh my gosh. What is smoking? I'm just curious. The cockpit? No. Cockpit's good. I have no idea what's smoking. Battery? No. Parachute hatch? No. The light? The light! It's the light that's smoking. I don't believe it. Look at that. Okay. There are some weird things in this game, man. So I've got an added hydrogen engine back onto that. I may or may not repair that. Or I may not build it the way I built it the first time. But it's a simple enough design that, yeah. Oh! I don't know if I can get it back on there. Yeah, landing gear. Almost need to take that over to the crane. Maybe I'll do it that way. I'll back that out, put the drills on it, then use one of the ships to bring it over and attach the crane. Maybe. It's not the worst idea. Not the best, but not the worst. Okay then. Well, this has been an extra long episode. Sorry about that. Yeah. Thanks for joining me. We finally got our poor broken Scout back. Everything's good in the universe. So, well, next time we'll work on those other projects, and I'll probably work on some of them offline. I can't see leaving that alone, actually. And I don't want to bar you with all the mining that's going to have to occur. All right. Well, we'll see you next time. And if I don't get an episode out by Christmas, know that it'll be coming shortly thereafter. All right. Bye-bye.